Hi, I'm Sarielle and welcome to the third episode of Random Crafts Thursdays with Sarielle, only here on Sariellism. This episode is a little bit different from the first two episodes released before because I will be trying out some DIYs and life hacks found on YouTube. Starting off with Troom Troom's silver spider / cockroach ring from the video 11 Billie Eilish inspired hacks. Perhaps this particular DIY was inspired by Billie Eilish's music video for You Should See Me in a Crown. So I couldn't find my toy spider, so I just made one using a wooden bead, some stick-on gems, and some fuzzy wire and googly eyes. And this is supposed to be scary, but I just ended up making it cute. So I looked around the house and I couldn't find a ring base, so I'm improvising again. No, I'm not using this. I'll be using another fuzzy wire to insert here. Have to twist it like so. For the second one, I'm gonna try this life hack from the channel 123 Go. From their video, Cool Tricks You Need to Try Yourself. Okay, I'm gonna try this tape cutting zip tie. Now we have the packaging tape and the zip tie. All we have to do is put this zip tie in here. Little space so that it's movable still. Oh no, it's not. It's a little bit movable. And then cut. I'll be doing this again. Okay, it worked. Let's try it again, because the tape isn't in good condition. Let's see. I have to straighten that one first. Okay, this is working now, but it's not that perfect, but okay, I get it now. So you should make sure it's not angled like I did, and it's supposed to be in the right in the middle, and you have to straighten this point part. And then push, pull, and you'll get this tape. It's not easy. Now, I would say this worked, but it's not that practical. And now for the last DIY from 5 Minute Crafts, Whew, I almost said 5 seconds of summer. Anyway, from 5MinuteCrafts, from their video, 27 weird hacks with old socks, we're gonna make some, I wanna call it instant boots. Anyway, here's the shoe, and here is the old sock. It's clean, don't worry. So all I have to do is insert the shoe inside the sock. So this is a knee-high sock, so it will take time. So I just have to make sure this heel part of the sock will land on the heel part of the shoe. In. Now we have to take our scissors and cut a slit right here. Is gonna work. So this is the finished product. See, it surprisingly worked. But this life hack / DIY definitely works. Like at first I thought it's gonna be slippery, but nope, it's not that slippery. And I feel like Ariana Grande in this. So that's it for the video. For this video. Just a summary. The first DIY, the Billie Eilish inspired ring. I wasn't actually able to get the exact results as expected because I don't have the exact materials. I don't have a ring base, but in a way, it was also successful at the same time because look, I made a little buddy. See, it's not scary. It's not as scary as the tarantula in Billie Eilish's music video. So for the second life hack, the packaging tape, zip tie cutter, it works, sure, but it's not that practical because zip ties aren't that sharp enough. Better keep some scissors around when you have packaging tape, so that's what I can say. And then for the third one, the instant boots, I like that DIY because I made boots out of socks. It's washable, so you can remove the shoes in the socks and just throw the socks to your washing machine and you're all good. But the thing is, I don't think you can actually use it outside because socks cloth is a little bit too delicate for the ground, the outside ground. So I think you can just use this instant boots for costume parties or just inside the establishment or your home. So overall, I actually enjoyed making this video. So maybe you can comment down below which crafting channel should I check out next here on YouTube. And if you want to see where I got the 3 DIY/life hacks, all the links of the original videos are listed down in the description below as well. And you might want to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for notifications. And you might want to share this also to your friends and family because sharing is caring. See you on the next video. Bye!